In this video, I'll show you exactly how to transfer your site from Wix to Wix Studio in 2025. If you're moving to Wix Studio or more design control or better performance, here's how to get started. First, go to your current Wix site and make sure all your content is up to date, like text, images, blog posts, and custom sections. There's no automatic transfer tool, so you'll be rebuilding the layout manually inside Wix Studio. Next, open studiowix.com and create a new project. Choose a blank template or start from one of the presets that matches your original layout. Now go back to your old Wix editor and start copying over content like text, images, and layout details. Use Wix Studio's advanced tools like custom breakpoints and flexible grids to rebuild your sections with more control. Once your new design is ready, head to settings and connect your domain if you had one linked to your original site. Wix will redirect you to your new Studio version automatically. Finally, preview your site on both desktop and mobile. Make sure that everything works, then hit publish, and that's it. You've successfully moved your site from Wix to Wix Studio.